Welcome back, folks. Now I have Dr. Paul Redpath from Dillon Family Dental, right? Dillon Ridge Family Dental, sorry.
It's a long name.
It's a long name, right? It's a mouthful.
Yes, it's true.
Joining me this morning. How are you doing?
Great. I'm doing great today. I'm happy to be
Good.
here.
Now, I know a lot of people, I mean, not me, I'm fine. But I know a lot of people really have a lot of anxiety about going to the dentist. It's something that they just don't care for. Can you talk a little bit about like dental anxiety? Because it's a real legitimate thing. It's not like a childhood fear anymore, right?
Totally. It all usually stems from some event in the past that people will have, and they can specifically recall something happened when either they were a kid or when they were an adult, and that event is just sort of replaying itself in their mind. Every time they go to the dentist, they smell the smell of the office, the sounds, all of it just sort of brings back those bad memories. Mm-hmm. Yeah.
And so how can that sort of affect things as far as like what's the relationship with the mind and the body, including the teeth and all of that?
Yeah, so really it's all in the mind. When you think about life, it's just, it's all up here. We have the ability to recall things from our past and we can relive them, and that can affect a lot of the relationships we have and just our ability to trust the dentist. If we had like a bad trusting experience in the past, it can be difficult to regain that trust. So it's so important just talking to people, getting to know people, understanding where they're coming from, and not just jumping into things, sort of getting to know people and building that trust back first. That's always step number one.
That's true, because it's just like if there isn't that trust and your patient has that anxiety, you're not going to actually really be able to do the full exam and kind of see what other things could possibly be going on in the body, right?
Yeah, so the relationship is pretty clear. We have a direct relationship between gum disease, which is like periodontal disease, and also just cavities. It's related to the things that we're eating, our activity. Periodontal disease gum disease has a direct link to heart disease and to stroke, many other conditions in the body. So if we find dysfunction in the teeth, we can usually relate that directly to dysfunction in the mind and dysfunction in the body as well. So anxiety is a huge thing that is becoming bigger now, with Michael Phelps going out there and saying, go to your therapist, talk to somebody about this. It's so important, and it doesn't just affect your relationship with the dentist, but also just in general. So if you have some dental anxiety, definitely want to see a therapist and talk to somebody, talk to a friend, whoever, because it affects a lot of things. Yeah.
And what do you guys do at your office for dental anxiety? I know you have a lot of great technology for discovering what could possibly be going on with someone's health, but obviously if you don't have that trust, you can't do that. So what do you guys do to kind of enable your patients to basically relax so you can properly examine and treat them?
Yeah. So actually, the first when you come in, we always have outside TV on.
Oh, nice.
So we like to just have
your clientele.
Exactly, and it just gets people a little bit more relaxed. We don't have like things about teeth or anything like that in the lobby. And those posters and all that. We just have nice, relaxed things. You come into our office, and our chairs have like little massage things in the back of it, so it'll sort of help relax a little bit. And then we also have a TV on the ceiling that you can watch TV. We have noise canceling headphones that will just help. They work pretty amazing. Nowadays the technology is pretty cool. And you put those on, you can't hear anything. And so you can just listen to music or whatever you want to listen to.
Okay, so you're really just making them zone out. It's the dental
Pretty
spa.
much, yes. Yeah, just zoning out, relax, calm. Sometimes I'll put on meditation things on the TV and relaxing music, and it helps.
Now, where can people go to find out more about your services and learn more about yourself, as well as make an appointment?
Yeah, so we're located right by the Dillon Ridge City Market. Dillon, sorry, the City Market gas station in Dillon. And you've seen our sign. Just come on in. We'd love to take care of you. It's really important to see the dentist every 6 months or whenever you see the opportunity. But yeah.
Okay. Well, thank you so much for stopping by. And yeah, I look forward to seeing you again next week.
Definitely.
Okay, folks, we're going to take another quick break, but don't go anywhere. We got lots of great information of places to check out and activities going on, so stay tuned.